Hey, it's Dr. Mo here with another video. We got Nadine. Nadine she had neck pain and lower back pain, and came to us with, the lower back was the most thing, but that kind of has been doing better, right?
Better.
Adjusting. Yeah, she had shooting pain or no shooting pain?
Shooting pain.
Yeah, shooting pain. Has the shooting pain have stopped?
Yeah, it stopped.
Yeah, so that was after, how many visits would you say?
5. Well,
Today's the
this
fifth
is
visit.
the 5th.
After the 4th visit, the shooting pain has stopped, the lower back has gotten better. The biggest thing I was worried about when she came in was her posture and her neck going forward. So we've been doing the Denerol, which I kind of been telling you guys about, kind of reversing that curve. And she's actually going overseas in the next couple of weeks, so we've been trying to get everything done before she goes so she could take it with her and kind of work on there when she gets there. I'm going to go ahead and adjust her and go from there. All right, here we go. So Nadine, go ahead and go face down for me. All right. So yeah, when she came in, she was about this much off. Now she's barely off now, so that's awesome. All right, girlfriend, deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. Perfect. This side up for me. All right. I got Nadine before she goes to work, so I feel.
The other way.
Deep breath. All the way out. Good. Relax. Good. Perfect. The other side. Good. And this is deep breath. All the way out. Perfect. Let's go face up for me. What a good picture. Oh, there it is. Beautiful. And yes, her ears are bright red. Alright, so yeah, if you're watching at home, I know you guys watch for months and then you finally decide to come in here. Just come on in. It takes a couple minutes to do an exam and then go from there. Alright, we'll see you soon. Take care.